Spot trading for beginners. How to trade and profit on NoOnes exchange. P2P trading is great for getting in and out of crypto, but what if you want to trade full time and profit from price movements? That's where spot trading comes in. Some traders use P2P to find great deals and then trade those assets on an exchange. Others use spot trading as their main way to earn, buying low, selling high, and making consistent gains. In this video, I'll show you how to trade crypto on the NoOnes spot exchange, avoid common mistakes, and build a solid strategy so you can start profiting today. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is spot trading? Spot trading is simple. You buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly on an exchange at real-time market prices. Here's how it's different from P2P trading. P2P trading is about buying and selling from other users using different payment methods. Spot trading happens directly on an exchange where prices constantly change based on supply and demand. Think of it like a stock market, but for crypto. The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins changes every second, and traders make money by buying low and selling high. Section 2. How to start spot trading on NoOnes. Before you can trade, you need to move funds into your spot wallet. Go to Trade and select Spot. Select Transfer Crypto and move your crypto to the spot wallet. Once your funds are in the spot wallet, you're ready to trade. Now let's place your first trade. In spot trading, you have two main types of orders. Market order, buy or sell instantly at the current market price. Limit order, set your own price and wait for the market to reach it. Once it reaches it, the sale takes place. Section 3, market versus limit orders. Which one should you use? If you want to buy or sell right now, use a market order. But if you're patient and want a better price, use a limit order. Example, if Bitcoin is trading at $100,000, but you think it will drop to $99,000, you set a limit order at that price. If Bitcoin falls, your order will automatically execute. Section 4, understanding trading pairs. Every trade happens in a trading pair. You're always exchanging one crypto for another. For example, BTC USDT, trading Bitcoin for Tether, stablecoin, ETH BTC, trading Ethereum against Bitcoin. On NoOnes, we give you the option to trade a variety of different coins against USDT. Section 5, spot trading strategies, how to make consistent gains, how to read price action and trends. Successful traders don't guess, they analyze trends. Look at the candlestick chart to see how the price moves over time. Uptrend prices are rising, so look for buy opportunities. Downtrend prices are falling, so look for sell opportunities.
Sideways market. No clear direction, so wait for a breakout. Section 6, risk versus reward using stop loss and take profit.
Smart traders protect their money, always set a stop loss to limit your losses, and a take profit to lock in gains. Example, if you buy Bitcoin at 100,000, you might set a stop loss at 99,500 to limit losses. Set a take profit at 101,000 to secure profits. Day trading versus swing trading. There are two main trading styles: day trading, making multiple trades in a single day; swing trading, holding trades for days or weeks to catch bigger moves. If you have time to watch the charts all day, day trading might work for you. If you prefer a more relaxed approach, swing trading is better. Now you have the tools to trade smarter. The best way to learn is to practice with small amounts and get comfortable. Remember, spot trading is not easy and it's not for everyone. Start trading on NoOnes today, and let's build your skills together. See you on the platform.